Hey everyone, we're going to go over some rules in conditional formatting. And so for this example, we're just going to hover over our column C. We're going to go over to conditional formatting. We're going to go to new rules, and for this rule type, format all cells based on their values. So this is just like color scales. And another thing that we have is data bars and icon sets. So we can take a look at this real quick and see what it looks like. So within our data bar, we can bring this and it shows us in a way to where the column is more filled out for more and less filled out for lower numbers. So let's go ahead and clear that rule and we'll look at what it looks like for an icon set. And so it's going to be green when the value is 67 or greater, yellow when it's 33 or greater, and red when it's less than 33. And so that's how that pops up. Really nice way to quickly take a look at your data. And then we'll go hover over them, go to clear rules from selected cells. And so now we can go back to new rule and let's take a look at the next one. So format only cells that contain, and so this is format only cells with the cell value, and here we can do either between, we can do equal to, greater than, less than, all those things. So we're going to do between, and let's just test out numbers between 20 and 60, and we'll just have it cover in blue. And so it shows us any number between 20 and 60. And so that is what that one does. So we go back to conditional formatting, we clear the rules, and now we're going to look at our next one. So format only top or bottom ranked values. So here is where we can simply select the top 10. We can select it by percentages. And so for this one, we'll just take a look at what the top 10 are like. And so there you go. We see there that we have our top 10 highlighted. So let's go back, clear rules from selected cells, and then we will go to our next rule. So format only values that are above or below average. So this is taking your data and it's going to put whatever is above average or below average, whichever you select, and it's just going to color them just like we have been. So all of these that we just selected are considered above average, and so that's a nice quick way to see our numbers in that way. So we'll clear, let's go back to new rule, and here we have format only unique or duplicate values. So let's see if there's any duplicates. We'll have it as blue, and for this one I don't believe there are any duplicates. So if we take, since there's no duplicates, and we add a 67, that's duplicates, it will continue to change whenever we do start to see duplicates, just like that. So if there are no duplicates and you end up adding them later on, they'll turn blue. If you have some, then they'll turn blue whenever you put that rule in. And then you just go back to clear your rules. And then the last rule is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And this one's a little bit more complicated. We'll have to create another video to cover this one, but we can do some pretty cool stuff like this. So equal is odd, and then we'll do C1. Let's format this into blue. And so what that did was it created a rule of any number that's odd to highlight in blue. And so we can go over that in another video. It's a lot more complicated, but those were the rules for conditional formatting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next time.